Hello creators! This video is going to be 10 things you need to know about YouTube Shorts, and I'm going to make it quick and dirty. I know there's a lot of videos out there that talk about YouTube Shorts, and I really want this one to be giving you like the best 10 things you need to know as quick as possible. What if I told you that right now in my hand I am looking at a channel that has 526 subscribers. They've posted a short video and it has 2.6 million views. I'm going to put it on the screen for you so that you can check it out for yourself. As a small creator or as a growing YouTube channel, shorts are a crazy, mind-blowing opportunity to get our YouTube channels out there, get noticed, get tons of views, and get subscribers. So I'm actually going to be making a bunch of YouTube short content back to back to back. So I'm going to show you some of my YouTube shorts. I'm going to show you my analytics, show you how many subscribers I've personally gotten from YouTube shorts. That's not this video. If you like this kind of content and you want to get more talking YouTube content, I have launched a brand new YouTube channel called Talking YouTube with Liz Brousseau, where I am going to put all of my YouTube content. I love YouTube. I love talking about YouTube. I love sharing my experiences growing my YouTube channel. So I've created a whole channel dedicated to it. So subscribe to this channel here if you want to be found in this video, but I'm going to put in the very first comment my Talking YouTube channel. So if you're looking for like a buddy, like a pal, like, you know, somebody who's going through the growth journey, who gets it, who's like in the trenches, but somebody who also gets to work with other growing channels and actually have management positions on other people's channels to help them optimize and grow their channels, then you're going to want more of this content. So go to that first comment down below. You're going to see my new channel, and lucky you, you could be one of the first subscribers because it is launching right now in time with this video. You weren't expecting that, were ya? Okay, so the first thing I want you to know about YouTube Shorts and why this is such a crazy big deal is right now on YouTube, I'm going to put the screen up here so you guys can see it. There is 424,000 videos on YouTube right now that are hashtag shorts. So that's less than 500,000 videos on YouTube, and only 91,000 channels have made YouTube Shorts right now. It is a major opportunity for us to bust into YouTube and get YouTube viewer eyes on us as small creators or creators who are growing our channel. There is a massive opportunity for you to get a video onto YouTube and get it seen, because you're really only competing with, on that shorts category, less than 500,000 videos, which sounds like a lot, but on YouTube, trust me, it is nothing. So first thing you need to know, massive chance to get massive exposure. Number 2, your shorts video has to be less than 60 seconds or ideally less than 15 seconds to be considered a YouTube short. So if you're making a YouTube short video, keep it under 60 seconds, you guys, to get it to show up on the YouTube Shorts shelf. The next thing you need to know when you are creating your shorts video is the title of your video needs to be less than 40 characters. How I've started to do it on my YouTube channel is I take my title for the first 40 characters and then I do my hashtag shorts after my title. So keep that title under 40 characters for your YouTube shorts. Which brings me to my next point. You need to have hashtag shorts in the title of your YouTube video. I tripled down on this. I also put hashtag shorts in my description box, and I tag my video hashtag shorts. So that title needs to be 40 characters, and you have to have hashtag shorts in the title to get YouTube to place your video on the short shelf. Now YouTube does want this to be vertical format videos, but you can go back if you have videos on your channel already that are less than 60 seconds, you can go back and add hashtag shorts to those titles and they will show up on the short shelf. Because YouTube is putting this out in beta, they will let you go back and tag those videos with the hashtag shorts in the title. Also put it in the description and the tag because it's not going to hurt anything, and they do have a chance of showing up on the short shelf. So ideally they want them to be in that vertical format. So if you're making new content, then use your phone, do it in the vertical format. But if you do have older videos, guys, go for it. hashtag shorts those videos and see if you can start getting some views that way on even some of your older videos. Just make sure they're under 60 seconds. Okay, the next big thing you need to know about YouTube Shorts, especially for those of us who are out here growing our YouTube channels, is the YouTube Shorts watch time that you receive from people looking at your shorts on the short shelf doesn't count towards your overall channel watch time. But if people are watching your video on the regular YouTube screen, that counts for watch time for your channel. Something I think is a big deal about your YouTube Shorts, I still do my SEO, so my tags and my keywords the same as I would a normal YouTube video. So I make sure I have all my tags in there so it can get found by the algorithm, and I do still fill out my description box so that it can get found by the algorithm. So for this tip, it is to treat your YouTube short the same as you would a YouTube video. So once you're done uploading your short with your phone, go over to the back office of your YouTube channel on your computer and fill out all of the description box and the tags just like you would a normal YouTube video. Help the algorithm help you by getting you out to as many people as possible so they know what that video is about beyond just the title and beyond just the hashtag short. So now you've done your YouTube short and it's not getting any traction, you're not getting any views beyond the number of views that you would normally get. Don't worry, tip number 7 is this. It takes 48 to 36 hours for the algorithm to sort of siphon that video, realize that it's a short, and put it onto the short shelf so it can be found by people who are looking for content like the video you've just made. So don't stress, don't worry. Tip number 7, it does take the YouTube algorithm 48 to 36 hours to sort of get that video onto the short shelf. So you are likely to see a huge spike in traffic 2 to 3 days after you've made the YouTube short video. Don't let that bug you, just have faith it's gonna happen. My last 3 tips are big ones. If you're liking this short video, definitely want you to subscribe, but not on this channel. On my new channel that's down below in the comments section, Talking YouTube with Liz Brousseau. I hope to see you over there. Let's get into these last 3 tips on creating shorts. You can add cards and end screens to your shorts video. So after you've made your shorts video on your smartphone, you've uploaded it to YouTube, jump on over to your computer, your YouTube studio. After you've gone ahead and filled out your description box and your tags, make sure you add an end screen. And make sure you also add a card to your video because you obviously want to hook these people into becoming a subscriber of your channel, falling in love with you, and falling in love with your content. Okay, we're down to the final 2. Number 9 is make your title as jazzy, as punchy, as curiosity creating as humanly possible. I have been scrolling around here trying to find a great example, and I want to show you a gentleman by the name of John Leonetti. I'm gonna pop him up here. He has a title for one of his shorts, which is What to Know About Your Guardian Angel. Pretty curiosity provoking, I would say. Okay, what do I want to know about my guardian angel? That video, or that short, has gotten him 118,000 views. He has 3,000 subscribers on his channel. So again, massive opportunity for massive views. And what I've noticed by really diving in, if you don't know me, when it comes to YouTube, I dig and I dig and I dig. I look at what everybody's doing. I get as much information. I do all the research. I get in there as much as possible. I love uncovering YouTube because I love helping other creators and myself shine their light out into the world by being amazing YouTube content creators. So that's how I dig up this sort of information. So this guy's super catchy title, What Should You Know About Your Guardian Angel? That video has got him 118,000 views. His other one, which was What Was the Secret to Saint Teresa of Calcutta's Success, doesn't really spark my curiosity. Really isn't a name I know. I don't really know what's going on with it. And that one's gotten 5.5 thousand views. So still a crap ton of views that I wish I had for sure. But you can see how it's just not provoking that same level of curiosity as as the guardian angel question. You can keep going through and doing more on your own. Here's another one I just found that's actually pretty curiosity provoking. Intimacy, sexuality, and marriage. So as soon as I click on that video, of course that comes up. I click on her name. She's got 62,000 subscribers, so she is a big channel. And let's see, yeah, that video has gotten 160,000 views compared to some of her other videos that she's been doing in shorts format. So that title, level up, get really creative, really get out there and challenge yourself to make something that's really going to make people be like, huh, what? I need to know more about that. And they click it to, you know, their curiosity is just perked so much that they have to satiate it by hitting that shorts video. All YouTubers, this is your chance to go after some of those tags, some of those titles, some of those keywords that are traditionally harder for us to rank in. Just make sure it's in your title, make sure it's in your tags and in your descriptions. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna link my morning fame video for you down below in the description box. It'll be big and bold on both channels, whether you're watching this on the Happy Creator channel or whether you're watching this on a Talking YouTube channel. It's gonna be down below in the description box. So check out morning fame. If you want the absolute easiest tool for tags, titles, and description, another video for another day, but go after some of those more difficult to rank for terms. Some of those ones that are getting a lot of people are looking for. So for me on my Happy Creator channel, that would be things like self-love and affirmations and journaling, some things that are traditionally really hard for me to rank for. Now I have a shot because I'm really only competing against 400,000 videos globally on the short shelf for those terms. Great way for me to get exposure on my small channel. For my Talking YouTube channel, it might be an opportunity for me to get some of YouTube growth videos and, you know, get out there and introduce myself to the growing YouTube community so that they can jump on board and, you know, feel like they have that friend in YouTube. So I hope that you like those 10 tips. Doing a YouTube short is not as hard as you think. All you need to do is have your cell phone. You don't have to overcomplicate it at all. I am coming out back to back to back with a bunch of YouTube shorts videos right now. So if you are watching this on Talking YouTube, welcome to my brand new channel. I'm so grateful to have you here. Subscribe down below and be one of the first to fall in love with this channel. I'm gonna keep showing up and being, you know, your friend who's doing this YouTube thing with you. If you're watching this on the Happy Creator and you love my YouTube content, guys, I made a channel just for you and just for all my YouTube content because I do love it and I want to keep showing up for it, but you know, the algorithm was getting a little confused. So jump on over to Talking YouTube with Liz Brousseau for more content. Lots more shorts videos coming. So appreciate you. Keep on creating, creators. You are doing an amazing job. Bye.